Hi all, for those that are new to my channel, if you do enjoy the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you're a subscriber already, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Dempsey. So I have no idea where this cocktail originates from. I tried to do a little bit of research online and couldn't find anything apart from some recipes. The main conflict between the recipes that I found, some say to stir and some say to shake. So today I'm going to give it a stir. I originally found this one on the Bonneville Cocktail Collective, which I will link to up here. This cocktail is comprised of a London dry gin. So this is actually an Australian gin. It is a dry style with the native ingredients, native Australian ingredients, followed by a Calvados. So a Calvados is an apple brandy. For those in the States, probably Lairds Applejack is more common, with a little bit of absinthe and grenadine. I prefer to use a homemade grenadine, but I haven't had the time and I had this sitting on the shelf. So if you do subscribe, later on down the track, I'll show you how to make your own at home. It's quite simple. So to get started, I'm going to measure out 35 mils of the dry gin and add that straight into a mixing glass. Followed by the Calvados or your apple brandy, 35 mils. And 5 mils of absinthe, so a bar spoon. And final ingredient, the grenadine, 10 mils. Fill your mixing glass with ice and stir for 20-30 seconds. So this store-bought grenadine gives that real luminescent pink, reddish kind of colour to it. Whereas if you make your own at home, it's got like a real dark crimson colour and obviously tastes a lot better too. I'm going to stir just a little bit longer for a little bit of extra dilution because this one is quite potent. Then strain into your chilled cocktail glass, whether it be a Nicandora, a coupe, stemmed cocktail glass, whatever you can find. I have a feeling that I definitely should have made my own grenadine for this one, but we'll wait and see. And for garnish, maraschino cherry and a twist of lemon. So there you have the Dempsey. Cheers. It's quite potent, but it doesn't have that sweetness that I was expecting. I was expecting a little bit of a sickly sweetness from that grenadine. It's actually really quite nice. It's a lot of depth to it. Botanicals from the gin, and as well obviously that absinthe has a play with some aniseed notes. I'll definitely be trying this again once I make some grenadine of my own. I'm quite impressed with this. Worth a shot and worth tweaking as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.